Hi everyone, so we all know we got a new update in Google AI Studio. We can now create realistic images using Gemini Image Flash, that is Nano Banana. So before starting the video, I would like to show you some of the images I have generated recently using Google AI Studio and Generate Media with Nano Banana. And the results are really amazing. Let me show you some of the results. As you can see, I have given a prompt and the images I have generated using that is looking really nice and real. You can see the face structure and the environment, everything is looking real. So we will learn step by step how you can also create images like this. So I have created multiple, like 50 plus images in last 2 days, and you can see I have created a video also using VO3. You can see all the results. It is looking really realistic. So yeah. So this is the image I really like most. So let's start the video, how you can also generate this type of images using Google AI Studio. So let's start the video. So for generating images, we will use, first you have to go to AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. Then you will get this page. Then you have to, if it is closed, like if it is closed like this, you can just click on this and click on generate media. Like click on generate media, then you have to click on explore fast forward. We can generate basically from scratch also, but I use this app and it is really generating awesome images. So first, when you land here, you can click on upload photos. You have to upload your like high quality image. Like I'm going to use this image. This is really high quality image. You can see the image size is 13 MB and I have changed the dimensions as well. So the first thing, we will upload this, then click on generate. So we will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 results as a pass forward, and we will see it will take some time. So when you are using this app, you have to consider 2 to 3 things. You don't have to like change the window, because if you change the window, it will not generate the images. It will stuck on somewhere else. So we have got some really like 90s, 80s, 70s photos. You can see we are not going to download these, but you can see the results as well. So two another images are also generating. So let's wait for them. Yeah, so we got all. So this is fast forward app. Now we have the option, if you want to download the images, you can directly click on this, or you can directly click on this. You can download and see the photo like this. To be honest, the clothes and the background is really merging with the photo. In some photos, my hairstyle got changed because of the 90s look, but we have downloaded one more image. So let's check this also. Yeah, it is looking also awesome. So now we have the option in this app to change this app accordingly. So I have a prompt to change this app. So we will just paste this prompt and generate images like I have created previously. So basically I have used this app to generate all these images. You can see all images are looking really nice. So what we can do is now we can like change the app style, app code. We have pasted the prompt here. I will provide this prompt in description as well. Just send this prompt. So what we have written, generate 5 realistic images of a man based on the given photo, wearing aesthetic minimal clothing, style like a modern content creator. Each image should be set in a different location, such as library, art gallery, cafe, YouTube studio, or other creative environments. So let's see. So once this app is get created, you have option to share the app as well. So I have created some apps and I have like copied their link. So I will share these links with you as well. So you can generate these types of images accordingly. Okay. So let's see, our app is still in process. Let's see these apps as well. This app is from another developer. We can just continue with this and we can upload our photos here. So let me upload one of my photos, which I am using mostly now for generating images. Let's choose this. and click on generate again. So now we will not get the 90s, 40s, 90s, 70s, 80s photos. Now we will get images of bookshelf, camera, and deck setup like these photos. So I will tell you one more method to generate like images like this again and again if you are not getting perfect results. So like you can see the results, it is really crazy. Let me download this. Let's wait for 3 others. If we back, it will stop the process. So as we can see, all the images are really looking nice. So let's open one of the image. You can see the how everything blended in background. Let's download this one. Yeah, it is really looking real. So I think our app is created now, the app which we are creating. So let's upload one of our photo. Let's upload this and let's click on generate and wait for some time again. So here we got all the images and I think the images are really looking great. So let's open this. As you can see, my hands, my face, here, everything is blended with the environment. So if you don't like this result like this, you can just click on this photo and just shake it. It will generate a new result. This is a hack. I got to know about this. So if you want like images like this width, so you have to submit the images in the same dimension. So it will give you the same result. So if you are going to upload some portrait images, you are going to get portrait images as well. So remember that. So we got a new result. Let's download it and let's see how it is looking. Yeah, it is also looking great. So basically by using this method, you can create your own avatar in any environment realistic. So it's up to you how you are going to give the prompts accordingly. It will generate the environment. So try this and we'll meet in the next video.